Namaskar dear students, prayers to Ma Sharda. Chapter 2 Electrostatic Potential and Capacitance. Very important topic. Equipotential surface. Equipotential surfaces. Okay. So first of all, for point charge, what will be formula for potential for positive point charge? Positive point charge, say Q, V equals to KQ by R. We know that K is constant, Q is given, so it is constant. So at equal R, at all the points having equal R, at all the points having equal R, V also equal. So if we connect all the points having same electric potential, then the surface what we get is called equipotential surface. Okay, equipotential surface means a surface having equal electric potential at all the points. Okay, so for this positive charge, suppose we take distance r as this, then in all direction at this distance the potential will be same, so this is one equipotential surface. Similarly, if we increase the distance at all the directions, again we get another equipotential surface. Okay, so actually these are circles of different radius. Okay, so this is these are 1, 2, 3, and so we can draw so many. Okay, equipotential surfaces for a point charge. Okay, they are circles having same radius, and center is our charge, positive Q. Okay, so I have drawn the same here again. Okay, we know that for positive charge, electric field lines are going outward. Okay, in that case, at this point, okay, the angle is 90 degree, because see, we know that at this point the direction of this circle is tangential. The angle between tangent and this is 90 degree. So field line is perpendicular to equipotential surface. Okay, now here, okay, below is the here is the equipotential surfaces for electric dipole. Electric dipole means one negative charge and one positive charge, minus Q and plus Q. I have drawn two equipotential surfaces for both. Okay, see, they are not symmetric. Okay, they are not at nearer points they are almost symmetric, but as we go far, okay, they are not symmetric. I have calculated here. Okay, it is not needed, but you must understand, your concepts must be clear. See, if we consider KQ as x, okay, and if we take this distance as 2 meter, and if we find, suppose this is 0.5, okay, so at r equals to 0.5 meter from minus Q, in that case potential will be equal to, see, for this the potential will be negative. KQ is x, so here it is minus x. Upon this distance I have considered as 0.5. In that case this distance will be 1.5, because this total distance I have considered as 2. In that case it will be x upon 1.5. So the final it will be minus 2x upon 1.5. That is potential. Okay, so we can write minus 1.33 x. Okay, now if I want to find a point with same potential in this side, okay, in left hand side of minus Q, suppose distance is y, this distance is y, okay, so v equals to minus x by y, that is minus 1.33x. In that case y will be equal to 1 upon 1.33, that is 3 by 4. Actually this is 4 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 4, that is 0.75. That means at this point electric potential and at this point electric potential are same, but this distance is 0.5, this distance is 0.75. So this direction the distance will be more. So this is not a symmetric figure. Okay, this distance is less, this distance is more. Similarly here it will happen. Okay, now I'll consider two equal value positive charges. Q1 and Q2 are same. Q1 equals to Q2 equals to capital small q. Then field lines will be like this. Okay, why? See, I've explained here. Again, suppose KQ equals to 1. Okay, suppose this distance is 2 meter. So at this point, that is 1 meter from Q1. Okay, voltage will be, potential will be equal to KQ upon R. So KQ is X, R is 1. X upon 1 plus X upon 1. For this also distance is 1. So 2X. If I want to find out a point having equal potential in this direction, left hand side of Q1, okay, that is V dash, suppose, and I want to have the same potential and the distance is suppose Y. In that case, X by Y will be equal to 2X. So Y will be equal to 1 by 2, so 0.5. That means if this distance is 1, this distance is 0.5. See, at this point and at this point potential are same. Okay, 2x at this point and this point, but this distance is 1 and this distance is 0.5 less. Okay, so here is the more distance, these distances are more and these distances are less. Okay, finally we will get this type of surface. Okay, now if our electric field is uniform and in x direction, we know that for uniform electric field the field lines are parallel to each other. In that case, the equipotential surfaces will be like this. Okay, suppose these are field lines, okay, of uniform electric field at equal distance. In that case, we know that suppose these are the field lines. So this is the one equipotential surface, this is another. We will get so many equipotential surfaces. They will be like this, perpendicular to the electric field lines. Okay, so this explanation is not needed. Okay, but it is not explained anywhere in any reference book, anywhere. I have not seen in any video also on YouTube. Okay, so students generally learn by heart, but I don't like that. So I have explained you for your concepts. Concepts must be clear. Okay, so don't write this in exams. Okay, this is just for your knowledge. Okay, these calculations are for your knowledge. Okay, prepare well. Bye.